Clip on the track.
Lil Boosie bad ass. Trill Entertainment. Click click. Dead game rep. Let's set it off in this mother. You don't want to get in the way, partner. Believe that.
If you get in the way, how about to clean up brigade? Beats up your face. No surrender, me no run away. If you get in the way, how about to clean up brigade? Beats up your face. No surrender, me no run away. Last time I checked, I wasn't soft on these streets. Playing folk, win, lose, or draw on these streets. Ride for 750, got taught on these streets. Open shop in hotels, serve raw on these streets. Chumps feel tough, then the shotgun pop one. Wanted me a mouthpiece, but Bow Wow's got one. Eating when they sleeping, feeding my aggression. Ease where they be, watch them freeze under pressure. Lyrically inclined, I boast and represent. This no sick flow, throw some medicine. Axe Mac Millerson, young black militant. Cash on the stash, damn magnificent. Might as well sag my pants everywhere I go. You know, I'ma show my everywhere I go. I say I might as well sag my pants everywhere I go. You know, I'ma show my everywhere I go. If you get in the way, how about to clean up brigade?
Top 10 rappers in the world. Number 10. Akon. Akon Thiam, born on April 16, 1963 in Missouri, is an American rap artist, songwriter, and record producer. Akon is the 10th richest rappers in the world, and it is estimated that Akon earns $80 million. Number 9. LL Cool J. LL Cool J is an American rapper and actor, born on January 14, 1968 in New York. He is the 9th most rich rapper in the world, earning $100 million. Number 8. Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg, born on October 29, 1971 is an American rapper, singer, songwriter, and actor. Snoop is the 8th most rich rapper of the world. His estimated net worth is $135 million. Number 7. Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne is an American rapper, songwriter, and was born on September 27, 1982 in Louisiana, USA. Lil Wayne is the 7th richest rapper of the world, whose net cost is approximately $140 million. Number 6. Ice Cube. O'Shea Jackson is the real name of Ice Cube, was born on June 15, 1969 in Los Angeles. Ice Cube is the 6th richest rapper of the world, having a net worth cost of $140 million. Number 5. Eminem. Eminem is an American rapper, producer, songwriter, and actor. He was born on October 17, 1972 in Missouri, USA. Eminem is the 5th most rich rapper in the world. His net worth is about $170 million. Number 4. Master P. Percy Robert Miller, known by his stage name, is an American rapper, actor, author, and filmmaker, was born on April 29, 1967 in Louisiana. He was the 4th richest rapper of the world, having a net worth of $350 million. Number 3. Jay-Z. Jay-Z is an American rapper, record producer, and entrepreneur, was born in New York on 4th December, 1969. He was the world's 3rd most rich rapper of the world, and his net worth is $560 million. Number 2. P. Diddy. Sean John Combs, also known by his stage name, P. Diddy, is an American rapper, record producer, actor, and entrepreneur. He is the 2nd most rich rapper of the world, earning a cost worth of $700 million. Number 1. Dr. Dre. Dr. Dre is the top most rich rapper of the world and earns an estimated net worth of $800 million. His real name is Andre Ramel Young. He was born on February 18, 1965 and started his career in 1984 and got fame by the show The Traffic Jam.